What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage, back here with another video for you. Today I'm just showing a highlight of the Owosso Vintage Motorcycle Days show. I think that's the exact name of it. I don't know. It's the show that we piggybacked off of for the motorcycle build when I built Project Blue Balls, the Blue Shadow. It was for the Wild Stallions motorcycle build, and they did the competition at a vintage motorcycle show up in Owosso. Very, very cool. They shut down a few blocks of the city there, and so you can just walk up and down the street looking at all these bikes. So these are the highlights from the show. All right, guys, that was a show. It was very cool, very, very cool. If you guys are close to Owosso and haven't been to the show, I suggest going next year. And like I mentioned before, we're doing another build. Derek's putting on another build. I'm competing in it. And I'm assuming the other guys that competed in it this year are going to be back next year too. So we'll be up there next year. If you're close to the show, come on out, check out all these old bikes. It's really, really neat. And vote for your favorite bike in the bike build competition. So, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of you. Thank you.